Step 1. We open the browser, search for Boss Game, find Boss Game's official website. Of course, you can also directly type www.bosgamep.com. Go directly to our official website. Then we find the support interface, slide down the browser to find the driver download page for E2. Step 2. Choose to download the driver file for your E2 product. In this step, we recommend you to download all the driver files. After downloading, please copy the driver files to a new folder on your desktop and complete the decompression step of the zip file. We have accelerated this step for your convenience. Step 3. We open the browser, search for AMD Cleanup Utility, find the official AMD website. You can ask our shop staff or our support staff to get the website directly. Enter the website to complete the download. Step 4. Then we double-click the downloaded file and follow the steps to use it. Of course, if you are not familiar with the use of this software, you can refer to the official AMD tutorials or contact our support staff. Our support staff can help you in the working hours of remote desktop services. Step 5. After clicking Confirm, your computer will restart for a short period of time. Please don't worry. We have sped up the reboot session. Step 6 in this screen, please wait patiently for the cleaning software to work, and know that the screen of successful cleaning pops up. After clicking Finish, the computer will reboot. Step 7. Here we speed up the reboot screen. Step 8. We open the driver file has been unzipped. Open the device manager to check the monitor option is no longer the AMD driver. If there is still showing AMD driver, please complete the above steps again. Step 9. Next, we open each driver folder in order and find the install.bat file. Double-click or right mouse button to select the administrator identity to run so you can automatically install the driver file. Step 10. The installation process. A little patience. After the installation of the GFX driver file, can open the Windows Task Manager, check whether the GPU option appears. After the appearance of the representative of the installation is successful. Step 13. Here has been successfully completed the installation of the driver. Step 11. After the last driver file is installed, you can manually choose to restart the computer. You can also enter Y in the run box to automatically restart the computer. Step 12. After restarting, right-click on the blank desktop, check whether the AMD software options, while opening the device manager to check whether the yellow exclamation mark, if all normal, the computer can be used normally. Step 13. Here has been successfully completed the installation of the driver.